Good morning, clan. Welcome back to the vlogs. Back in San Diego. Walking down to the coffee shop, give me a latte. This coffee shop is amazing, and this is the dream. Roll out of bed and walk into an awesome coffee shop. We're making it happen. We're living our dream. All right, we're back with coffee from Better Buzz. I got myself a peanut butter maple latte. I got Sierra a coconut buzz, which is kind of like a frappuccino. And we're trying their 3-seed avocado toast. A little microgreen action on there. Oh yeah. Tiff's in the kitchen, making some chorizo, eggs. Looks like we're gonna do some breakfast tacos. Yeah!
It's a beach day.
It's a beach day. Kids are so excited. So excited, Bryce?
Yeah.
So excited! I'm setting everything up.
Oh, yeah.
Kids are getting out in the water. Bathing suits on. They're excited to actually get in there and start jumping in the waves. They're coming for them. There's that initial shock. Cold. And the water is definitely different today. I don't know if it's higher or lower, but these little things are out, like these little plants. They weren't here yesterday. Either that or the water's a lot lower than yesterday. We don't know. We can't tell. The kids are super pumped about it though.
Let's do this, Bryce. Now let's do it without legs.
Boogie board time?
It's gonna hurt our stomachs.
Yeah. Do a couple runs, take a break. You're all lathered up there, Bryce?
Yeah.
I think you're more white now than you were before. Gotta love that salt water, huh, Bryce? Oh, hey, there you go. Good job, Sierra. You getting back in the groove, things?
What?
You getting back in the groove?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, too soon, Bryce, too soon. Another one of those bad boys. That thing's gnarly. We went and got the kids some shovels, make the digging a little easier. Now they're going to town. That's it?
Yep.
That's the hole?
A little bit of water.
You're really gonna bury him?
Yeah. Not on me.
What'd you get yourself into, Bryce?
Getting buried alive.
Buried alive. Are you hands out or hands in?
Hands in.
Hands in? All right. We got this all figured out already.
Wait, should I put my hands out?
Yeah,
No.
yeah. It's just your head sticking out. And we'll put the bucket on your head. Oh, mom's getting in. Mom's getting in now. She's like, this looks like too much fun. Burying Bryce alive. Let's go. And there it is, our masterpiece, Sergeant Bryce. Rest in pieces. I'm gonna get Buckethead, yeah. There you go. Alright, we're gonna go to lunch, Bryce. We'll see you later, buddy. What are you gonna do, Bryce?
Am I getting out?
You gonna try and get out?
Nope. Ah! 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 Wait, let me take the... I'm like pulling out with this. No, take it off. I know what I'm doing. I can't like lift my arm straight up. I have to like pull it out. Wait,
Yeah, you trying to claw your way out?
ah!
Oh, don't do that, Sarah. That'll hurt.
Ah! Trying to get my arm out. There we go. No. It's chilling. Oh, it's not out. I can't. His toes. I can get my toes out.
There you go. Junior lifeguards reporting for duty. Yeah, dude. Nice job.
It's cold.
It's cold?
I like it. It's warm down there. Oh, you should do that. It's warm.
Bury mom? Yeah, we should, huh? Good job, Sierra. Back on the boardwalk. Heading out for a little lunch. Where are we going, Bryce?
Wave house.
The Wave House. At least that's what it used to be called. I heard the wave machines got taken down. Made it to the beach house. What'd you get, Mama?
Pina colada.
Pina colada with some dark rum on top.
Yep.
I gotta go with a Mai Tai. I have at least one Mai Tai on this trip. What'd you get?
Volleyball.
Volleyball.
And some sand.
And some sandals. Nice, Bryce. Hey, I'll trade you.
I don't know, they're kind of big.
Yeah, I think I can wear those actually. Oh no, they're a little tight. They're a little tight. They look cool though. I like the way they look. Back on the streets. And to our next destination. Taking a different route. Alright, we made it out to Miss B's and we got some awesome looking cocktails here. Look at that, little monkey on the side. Oh, even the kids are in on the action. Little virgin pina colada. Oh yeah. How's the coconut shrimp?
Good, because it's breaded and fried. And there's a dipping sauce. Holy magneto.
Alright, we're ordering mom eating shrimp over here. Bryce, what do you think? You don't like it?
I don't like the sweet.
I like the coconut. Oh, look at that shade. Sierra's back out in the water. She's loving the boogie boarding. And Tiffany's finally getting her toes in the water. She's like, nope, too cold. She loves it here in San Diego, but she just can't do the cold, man. And it's 67 degrees out right now, guys. 67 degrees. Sierra is officially our beach girl, our beach bum, whatever you want to call it. She hasn't left the ocean. She loves it. Kids wanted one last trip to the waves, so they're out there with their boogie boards. We packed everything up, put it back to the house, but we're just kind of just sitting on the wall here on the boardwalk. I definitely got some sun. I was in the shade most of the time. That's just from walking. That's just from walking. Because I was in the shade the whole time. The sun will get you.
It's gonna hurt you.
It'll hurt tomorrow. All right, we're back in the beach house, and we're starting to prep for dinner because it's going to be a long one tonight. We got steaks on the counter, getting room temperature, right? Resting, seasoning on there. Got the oven lit for baked potatoes, and Tiffany's starting to snap the green beans. Green beans. All right, so I'm up here on our rooftop patio. Come up here a couple times in the mornings, but tonight we're grilling out. Got the grill going. Got our steaks seasoned, 2 fillets, and 1 ribeye. Oh yeah.
Grilling on a rooftop.
Crazy, right?
Crazy.
Oh yeah. Steaks are ready. Potatoes are ready. Green beans are ready. We ready! And there it is. Bon appetit. Steak, potatoes, green beans. Well guys, I was getting ready to hop in the shower, and I actually looked in the mirror for the first time since this morning, and yikes! I didn't put sunblock on because I wasn't gonna go out in the water. I wasn't gonna go, like, I was under the umbrella the whole time, but apparently I still got enough sun today, walking back and forth from the beach to the house, walking to the beach house and back. That's what it was. Yikes. Yeah, that's bad, kids. I'm a big advocate of sunblock. I didn't put any on because I didn't think I was gonna be in the sun. That's just from walking around. That is gonna hurt big time in the next couple of days. Not looking forward to that burn. And it starts in the shower.